Hi, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor manufacturer over 18 years. Okay, today I'm glad to introduce one set customized diesel engine screw air compressor for you. The movable diesel engine screw air compressor equipped with the after cooler, desiccant air dryer, and three different levels precision features to make the air compressor system to supply the drive and the clean compressed air for the customers. And the electric power supply of the after cooler and the desiccant air dryer is by the diesel engine. So it's very convenient when using at the outdoor, and the desiccant air dryer with the design of the running proof. Okay, now please our colleagues to help us open the cabinet to let us see the inside. Here is a smart intelligent controller with kinds of language display, and the running data and alarm is also can be checked through here, so it will be very convenient when using. The diesel engine is a famous brand. Quality assurance, reliable working, and working with the fuel efficient. The key part screw element, ZT custom made with Gemini technology, the most advanced tooth number ratio of 5 to 6 with a higher efficiency, a bigger size fuel tank. This is extra fan, a bigger size cooler to make sure the air compressor works for a long time. Here is two air filters. One air filter is for the diesel engine, the air filter for the screw element. Higher efficient oil air vessel to separate the compressed air and the lubrication oil. Here is the oil filter. After cooler. The after cooler, the electric power supply is by the diesel engine, so it will be very convenient when using. Two wheels. Okay, if you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye today.